Hello, my name is Shedrack and welcome to this video. And this is VTU1 Monthly Challenge, a program that aims to pay you a cash prize of 1 million naira for free if you participate on the program. And for you to participate is very simple. All you have to do is create an account with the link I have in the description of this video, upgrade your account to agent package, and then get started to get your cash. Free cash of 1 million naira. You get every training you ever need to get started right away once you upgrade to an agent. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain a step-by-step on how you can actually verify your VTU1 monthly challenge account to lift up the limit imposed in free people that are not verified on the account or in the accounts. So when you come to this place, you can see my total sum of transaction is 785 naira. That's the total sum I've done in the system. And then if I click to buy, for instance, I want to buy data, for instance, you will see that the system is telling me that you have consumed 455 naira out of 1000 naira in one day. So please verify the account. So even if you come here, you can also click verify accounts. So what it means is this: every account that, even though if you're an agent or a portal owner, every account on VTU1 monthly challenge goes into what we call verification process to lift the ban imposed on unverified accounts. The verification process is helped to make sure that it's real people that are using the platform for real transactions. So at the moment of recording this video, the limit imposed on unverified accounts is 1,000. It can be lesser or higher than this at the moment, at the time at which you are watching this video. So how do you verify your account? It's very simple. All you have to do is to click here or click verify account. Anyone is welcome. So you can see the verification system. You can see, so hello, verify your account is however mandatory to keep you as our services safe. This will also help us know you more better and serve you more better without issues. Please take note that your personal information is not shared or stored for unauthorized activities, but instead make us lift the bounds of transaction limits. Thanks for understanding. So here you have to put your full name. So for instance, this is actually my full name. So I will just put my full name and then I will select the verification process method, I mean to say. So if it is national ID card that you have, if it is voter's card, BVN, driving license, international passport, all these documents are all welcome. Okay, so for instance, if I click on voter's card, all I have to do is to put your passport selfie, as in your passport will be here, and then your method of verification, which is your voter's card, will be scanned, and you can browse and attach it here. So these are how you're able to do it. If it is national ID card, the same thing. Any of the card process you choose, as in any of the verification method you choose, you must attach the picture here and also attach your photo here. So once VTU1 monthly challenge administrative team goes through your document, your account will be verified, and then the limit of 1,000 naira, that all you have to do is submit the document after you must have uploaded it. Once you verify your account, the limit of imposed on your account daily, which is now is 1,000, it can be lesser than that or higher than that, as I said earlier, will be lifted up automatically. So you can do unlimited transaction. So this is how you can able to verify your VTU1 monthly challenge account. I believe this video has helped you. If it has helped you, please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that you can receive updates once a video like this is released and published in the channel. And use the link in the description of this video to sign up on my network here on VTU1 monthly challenge, because I will mentor you personally until you start making that 1 million naira free cash award, which is promised in the program. And then use any of the videos I have posted so far on the channel to start making a lot of money in the process, whether you have not verified account or not. And of course, use this video to verify account so that you can lift the limit of band in your account daily transactions, so you can perform unlimited transactions on your account and start making for yourself real-time money in Nigeria doing telecom business. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrack. I'm going to see you in the next video.